This is the tutorial on how to do copy paste from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word, and this is one of methods or ways, one of methods that many people learn or want to search about it, because this is a necessary thing. This is a necessary things and important in educational world. And today we're gonna learn how to do copy paste on Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word. Here I have a file of data about name, then in, out, and total. So we will copy this data into Microsoft Word. Firstly, this can be done by press Ctrl C to copy the table, or you can do right click after you plug the data that you want to copy to Microsoft Word. After this appears, the line on the data, and then you paste this table or this data into the Microsoft Word by press Ctrl V, or you can do by clicking right and then paste. Keep search information, and this is the table that we have copied from Microsoft Excel, and the format is using table, right? It's a format of table, and this is the same format with Microsoft Excel on the original table. Okay, and we cannot copy the formula because that we've written in Microsoft Excel, and if we want to edit, just click and then edit by using the rule of Microsoft Word from this table. Okay, for example, refine tree and then right click and insert. For instance, I want to insert rows below. Okay, if we try to add the rows on the Microsoft Word, and this is not connected with the Microsoft Excel table because this is at from Microsoft Word format. Okay, how to do this copy paste with the second method, and this is advanced method to do this second steps, and I think it's quite harder or more difficult. Okay, block all of the data and then press Ctrl C to copy, and do not directly you paste this data because it will be the same by above about it. Paste and then paste special, and Microsoft Excel worksheets object. Okay, this is the paste special, the format for Microsoft Word, and you can do the paste special and then select from Microsoft Excel worksheets object, and this happens. Okay, for example, we will try again or repeat because the title is not copied yet. Okay, paste after copy, click paste special, and then select the Excel worksheet. Okay, here the display is very similar with Microsoft Excel. So if you click it, the Microsoft Excel search object will appear like this. So you can do filtering, or you can click the sign symbol on Microsoft Excel because it's the same like Microsoft Excel too. And from this Microsoft Word files. Okay, this is the second step. How to do? It's like moving the data from Microsoft Excel into Microsoft Word. And then this is the third method. Okay, this is simple way or simple method to do this. And the third method or third ways would be like this: block all of the data, all the table. By pressing Ctrl C, you will copy the data to Microsoft Word, and then select paste, and then paste special, and paste okay, picture, enhance meta file. So you will copy oh, the file from Microsoft Excel, and this is the picture. Okay, this is a picture from Microsoft Excel. You can do wider or smaller or bigger, and it's just a page of image, so you cannot edit the data from this. So it's just a picture from Microsoft Excel, like we do the screen, oh sorry, what's the print screen. And then it's like copy the data and then to be the image files. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to copy from Microsoft Excel into Microsoft Word. Hopefully this might be useful. See you soon in the next video, and bye bye.